Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain about inspection dimension. This is useful where if you want to communicate to the quality check department that a particular dimension of the part to be tested for 100% accuracy, otherwise 50% accuracy, to communicate the same thing to the quality check department through our drawing, that so and so labeled dimensions to be tested to the given accuracy level, we can do the same thing through our dimensions. To attach such information along with our dimension, simply go to dimension menu and take inspection. You will get a dialog box like this. In this, here click this button to select the dimension to which you would like to add inspection features, and you can select the shape of the label to be displayed, that is either round corners or sharp corners. You can select whichever you want, and the label which you want to show along with the dimension. Say if I want to say all star marked dimensions to be tested to 100%, you can write it like this. Write a star over here and inspection rate to be 100% and simply say OK. So your dimension will change like this. So by looking at this, the quality check department can understand that all these star marked dimensions to be tested to 100% accuracy. If you want to modify this inspection dimension, you can also use command DIMINSPECT and select the dimension which you want to edit and say OK. Now you can change this label from star to A and say OK, so that the label will change. So in the notes you can write label A dimensions to be checked with 100% accuracy. So like that you can provide notes along with the dimension so that quality check department can check the parts dimensions to that level accuracy provided in the drawings. If you want to remove this inspection dimension and place the normal one, simply go to dimension and take inspection and click on select dimensions. Then click remove inspection and say OK, so that the dimension will come back to the normal stage. Let us have a quick review on how to place inspection dimension, how to modify and how to remove inspection dimension. Type DIMINSPECT at the command prompt and select the dimension which you want to make as inspection dimension. Then select the shape of the inspection dimension, means the label shape, and then provide the label name over here. Say I am giving A and I want this to be tested to the 100% accuracy and click OK, so that the dimension, selected dimension, will have the inspection information over here. Say I want to modify this label A to star mark, so simply type the same thing DIMINSPECT and select the same dimension again and change the label from A to star and say OK, so that the label will change from A to star. Similarly, if you want to remove this inspection dimension and make it a normal dimension, again take the same command and select the dimension and click remove inspection over here and say OK, so that the dimension will reset to the normal stage. Friends, hope you understood how to place inspection dimension, how to modify and how to remove. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.